Hello everyone. As you can see, use a fork in order to fold up the cloth to make it even folds as such. Now, when you continue to do this, it will be even folded frills as such. Continue to stitch it under the machine as you are doing so. Keep rolling it at the ending point of the last fold and then fold it over and make your new fold. Continue to do this until you reach the other end so that you have a set of frills. This is what it should look like once you're done with it. As you can see, they are very even. Now, taking this material, begin to stitch through it as such. We move from one end to the other. Now, use this folded piece of cloth, add another piece of cloth right on top of it, and now fold it over. Make a small stitch on it, and then put the elastic, and then make sure you stitch it through. As you can see, we have folded it over, and now we are stitching it once again. Once you're done with this, cut off the excess bits of this cloth, and you will be left with this little bag-like shape. Now, insert it through it as such. Put it through the stitching machine, and then this will prevent the cloth from raising above. Next, start off by taking a needle, insert it right through the middle as such. Now, as you progress with the stitching, continue, put it under the machine, and then this will help create more closely knit frills, as you can see it is doing right now. Do this until the end, and then once you take it out, this is what it should look like. Now for our next hack, start off by taking this material cloth and now take a straw. It can be a normal straw, cut it open and then cut out the base of it as such. Keep only the U-shaped portion of it. Now put it through either end of the sewing machine as such. Now insert the cloth underneath this and then begin to sew. This will prevent the cloth from raising. You can continue to do it on all four sides and as you can see, it will not raise and it will come through conveniently. Thank you for watching.